This video is about trying to get these hazy water spots off the hood of my car. It sat outside, rained, and now it's got these water spots. This car has been washed, but you can see around where the lights are, there's these hazy watermarks. We're going to use Meguiar's cleaning wax, and I know that everybody's getting on me about not using a electric buffer, but the directions specifically say do small amounts on an applicator, spread it thin over the entire vehicle, and then use a microfiber towel to wipe it off, and then use the clean side of the towel to wipe it off for the final wipe. So as you see, I applied it. This is a 10-minute time lapse of it drying. You can see what it looks like when it's drying. And then I use just a microfiber towel, kind of buff it, knowing that it's not going to be perfect because you have to do a final wipe. So you see there's still a little bit of haze, and I switched to a new towel and wipe the rest of it. After I pull the tape, you can see that it did make a, here you can see it, and right here you can see it's making a bit of a difference. You can still see the haze. I think I still would prefer to buff the whole hood out, but this will work for the interim. Not too bad of a product.